Hey, here's a review of the VanTop brand video rear view camera and front view camera. It's sold on Amazon, and I'm reviewing this mostly for VW camper Vanagon people. When you turn the car on, or I just turn the power on separately, what happens is it turns on automatically. It comes on, gives you this screen real fast, and then it's sort of ready to go. So that is the rear view. It's very slick. You just do it once, it shows you both views. You do it again, it shows you the rear view again. And if you want to adjust the brightness, you go up and down on the screen. It's pretty cool. And this is slick. If you want to move it on this side, you move it up and down. It's very cool. It has a way bigger view than the conventional rear view mirror. Now, if you for some reason want the rear view mirror, you turn it off and you still have a rear view mirror. It's a little darker, but it's still very functional. So once you turn it back on, so because this is for VW camper people, I'm going to show you the cables I put up into the ceiling panel. And I unsnapped or unscrewed them, and then, excuse me for moving around, and I moved them and I ran them across the top here into the corner, and that's the camera plugged in there, but you'd have to find a power feed for it somewhere. And then I ran the video feed all the way underneath the little slot in the tray into the closet. And here's where I'm going to go out back and show you what I did. So I mounted the camera on a bar, fabricating something from bicycle stuff, but you could put it inside the behind the glass. Also, I get extremely good view of the way I did it, and then I kind of ran it along here, covered it with duct tape, and ran the cable through the same slot where the other stuff for the back window goes. It comes in a fancy box, and the people that run this company are very nice. They've reached out to me. They promised it a gift. They sent me a video camera for the house completely free, and you know, obviously are looking for a review of it also. But this is totally prompted in order to let VW camper people know that this thing makes a huge view when going down the road, and it really feels safe. Now, something to be aware of is that, you know, when you go to look in the rear view mirror, you're not seeing your own reflection anymore, and because of that, you're focusing on the face of the mirror, not focusing through the mirror as you do with a mirror, a real mirror. So it's a little different there, but the view is so fabulous that it's well worth it. Now this also records full-time front and rear, and if you get in an accident, let's see, hit it, and oh, there it is. I just faked an accident by hitting it. But the yellow takes a separate recording that gets locked in. It has a parking mode, so that when the car is parked or turned off and it gets hit, it takes video of the front and the back with the intent of catching somebody's license plate. But overall, this is a great rear view camera. It's full view, and yeah, one other small thing. I put a small dot of duct tape in the corner because there's a full-time blinking red dot there. If there's anything wrong with this thing, that's it. The software works great. Every now and then there's a funny little glitch, as you would expect, but overall for 99 bucks, I found this to be a really cool device and nice thing to add to a VW camper that always has limited views out the back. So hey, that's it.